Hey friends, it's Nikki. I just wanted to pop on real quick. I'm going to try and keep it real quick and say that, yay, it's finally fall weather here in the Sierra Nevadas in California. Finally, we've had a horrendously hot summer that just wouldn't stop. So we're finally starting to decorate for Halloween, and I just found out that we're doing a 20K by the holidays program. It's another 90-day run. It'll end at the end of the year, so that'll be a 30K by the 31st, but we are also timed up perfectly, more Halloween, so that you earn 20K by the holidays. And I'm joining, and I hope I'll see you there. But this is your opportunity. So if you want to learn more about the program, and when you join the program is how you get into this 90-day run, you can visit the website at www.nickywindailypay.com/ready. That puts you right to the payment information, how much the program costs, and the breakdowns. If you just want to sign up and learn more, that's just nickywindailypay.com. And send me emails. Send me questions. I'm on social media. You can always comment, like, subscribe for the videos. That's always helpful. But I'm there to answer any questions you have. But you have to hurry if you want to join this 90-day run, because it starts Monday and today's Friday. So it's short time frame, but it's doable. So again, www.nickywindailypay.com/ready. And that'll take you right to the information page for the programs between the 4 different streams, $100, $300, $600, and the overall whole thing, $900. That gets you the most information and the most tools. But you can start it with the $100 launch pad and upgrade later. Hopefully I'll see you on that 90-day run starting Monday. Bye.